Hello, loves. Welcome to Unique Makes by Christina. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul. It's a real small one, but I was able to find some amazing goodies. So let's go ahead and get into this. Okay, the first thing I would love to share are these. These are actually the Easter eggs. I haven't seen these before until I went to this Dollar Tree, and look at that. This is seashell eggs, and I like these for gifting and even putting little sequence mix, which is what I think I'm going to go ahead and do. But look at all that. You get 6 of them. You get the green, the blue, the purple, orange, pink, and yellow. So yeah, when I saw this, I was like, I had to have it. So I got this one. And then when I saw these, I was excited. Look at these. These are actually candy storage boxes, and they're shaped of ice cream popsicle. And it does come in pink. So I got 2 of those, and you get 4 of them. How awesome are these? Look at that. These would be good for swaps, or even for little beads or little trinkets and whatnot. But I got 2 of those. When I saw those, I was like, yep, yes please, yes please. Now also with those, it also has the pineapple, which I love, love, love. Look at that. And you do get 4 pieces. That is so cute. So if I'm in a summer swap or a pineapple swap, I definitely will be using that. And another thing I was able to find are these flamingo containers. OMG, how cute is this? I thought about 2, but I think I just have 1. So I definitely going to have to go back and get more. And you get 4 of them. That is so cute. That is cute, cute, cute. So love, love, love. At this Dollar Tree, these are the 3 that I saw. So I don't know if there's any other designs. But I did get the 3 of them. I also hauled this metallic shred. I like putting this in boxes for swaps. I do crinkle it a little bit more than that, but yeah, I got this because I like the holographic. How awesome is that? And I did get 2 more of the shells. Now, in my front living room, I have a lot of aloes that grow crazy. So I needed some more plastic containers so I could house them into a different pot, because I do have, well, the story is I have bought one from Walmart. It's been a few years now. So I call her the grandma. Well, she's beyond grandma. She's like great, 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 great grandma already. Her 2 daughters, I need to put them in a bigger pot because they are also making other children in their pots. So to give them room, I need to start moving them around. So I got these containers so I could, when I water them. So I got those. And my crafters area, they don't have a lot of new stuff yet. They do have little stuff here and there, but I was able to get these little star sequence mixes, and it does come in the white, pastel blue, purple, pink, a silver, and an orange. They had the other one, but this is the colors I use mainly, so I just got that one. Now the last thing I hauled are these retro stickers. Now this was in the teacher area. I figured with Case Crafts retro dies that came out, I could use that with her dies. I will be doing a videos on those too, of my retro dies that I bought. But look at that. So I got that. And yeah, that is my little Dollar Tree haul that I want to share with you. If you do see these summery containers, get them before they sell out. But yeah, let me know what is your favorite. This flamingos, because I love flamingos, is my favorite. But yeah, I love it all. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification so you know when I do upload a video. I do show a lot of deals and nice finds, but I also do crafting and stuff like that, which I'm going to do more of. So yeah, make sure you hit the notifications so you can know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye bye.